Welcome to our channel, Learn French with Nous. Today, we shall be seeing subject pronouns. Yeah, well, usually called in English as subjects. In English, we have the subjects I, you, he, she, we, they. Yeah, those are it. I guess we might add it also. Yeah, in French, we have a variety of subject pronouns. We will be seeing those. So here, the first one I is always je. Yeah, when you put these together, you get the sound je. Je is I. Yeah, they don't tell I, they tell je. And you for people who are younger to you or people who are very close, your friends. Yeah, you call them tu. Tu. Yeah. I know in English it is the same you for everyone else, but in French it's different. For younger or informal people, you use tu. And for the words which where you are supposed to use he or it, they use il. Yeah, il. This is il. And for she, it is always L. For we, always it is nu. Yeah, I know it is nous. You might make it nous, but it is nu, pronounced nu. Similarly, you for meetings or referring to plural people, second and second persons, and similarly to elders. Yeah, people elder to you, you go vous, vous, and group of people, third persons, and if you want to refer to them, and if they are all masculine, it is il. Yeah, it is ils. I know it is il. I get it. Even he or it is pronounced il. This will also be pronounced il. Yeah, I know you might be wondering how the French differentiate, but as they go on, as the sentence continues, they might be able to easily differentiate which is il and which is il. Here, feminine for they, it is l. I know. Similarly, she is L. This is also L. Okay. Here ends our video. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to my channel, and if you have any more doubts on this concept, you can ask me below. Thank you. My email is given in the description.